Age on Roblox Mobile. This tutorial shows you how to complete age verification on Roblox to unlock additional features and content. First, open the Roblox application on your Android device. Next, you'll be taken to the Roblox homepage where you can browse games and experiences. Following that, tap on the three dots icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, tap on Settings from the menu options. Moving forward, scroll down and tap on Account Info to access your account details. Afterwards, look for the age verification section on this page. In addition to that, tap on Verify My Age to begin the verification process. Once you're on the verification page, you'll see different verification methods available. Subsequently, tap on Verify with ID to upload a government-issued identification document. Moreover, you can also choose to verify using a phone number if available in your region. Afterwards, select your document type, such as driver's license, passport, or ID card. Then tap on Continue to proceed with uploading your document. Within this section, follow the on-screen instructions to capture or upload a photo of your ID. Alternatively, make sure your document is clear, unobstructed, and all details are visible. Once you've uploaded your document, tap on Submit for Roblox to review. Then the verification process may take a few minutes to a few hours. Afterwards, you'll receive a notification once your age verification is approved. Then, verified users will gain access to age-appropriate content and enhanced communication features. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you verify your age on Roblox Mobile, give it a like, subscribe for more Roblox tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.